Hey everyone, you're watching GetAssist.net and I'm back again with another interesting and useful video where I'm going to talk about one of the useful features that Instagram has recently updated on their application. So if you are interested, make sure you watch it till the end and now let's get started. Alright, so the feature I'm going to talk about is how you can create collection of posts with your friends on Instagram. So for that, I will go and open the Instagram app and then I will go to my chat section where I will open one of the chats. So as you can see at the bottom, I have already created a collection with this person, with this Instagram user right here. Alright, so what you need to do is whenever any of your friend share a post with you on Instagram, now you will see this save icon, the bookmark icon next to it. As you can see, I have already saved it. Alright, I have already created one of the collections. Now I will show you again how you can do that. So I will open up another chat. Let's say I want to create a collection with this person right here, with this Instagram user. Alright, what you need to do is whatever post they share with you on Instagram, you will see this bookmark icon. If you want to save it to the collection, you simply have to tap on this save icon, and this will allow you to create collaborative collection with friends. Now you can create a collection together in chat to help organize posts as a group. So this will make it easier for you to view back the posts that you have shared with each other. All right, so what you need to do is simply tap on new collection, and this will show collaborative with the username of the person. Just above that, you will be able to create a collection name. You can keep any name that you want with this particular friend of yours on Instagram. All right, so I'm just going to keep it empty, and then you have to tap save in the top right. Now if you are wondering that where this chat collection will get stored, so what you need to do is simply go back and tap on your profile icon at the bottom right, tap on the three lines at the top right, and then go to saved section right here. So now you can see that I have already created two collection with two of my friends on Instagram, and whenever you want to check their post or anything, you can simply open that particular collection, and here you will see all those posts that you have saved in this particular collection. All right, so I have created two of them. As you can see, that's how easy it is. In case you want to delete it, simply open it up and tap the three dots in the top right, and here you will get the option to delete it, or you can even edit the name, and you can even add more posts to this collection. All right, so that's how you can use this useful feature to keep all your posts that you share with your friends organized. And that was it for this video. I hope you found it helpful, and if you do, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and also press the bell icon to stay notified of all my latest videos. Thank you for watching.